6.5. No way, dude. I was thinking 3/8 or 2/10. Dang it, man. That was good. That's a good one. I've never seen this stuff before. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I was just telling you all to do that, man. You're good. Alright, so I'll get a demo first and then guess what you have, and then you can tell me what you got. So you've got trunk build. Screaming at me. I'm gonna say 3/8.
3/8?
3/8 or 2/10.
With YouTube Kids, you manage
I have no idea.
Just
Let's go look. I wanna go look. 3/8 or 2/10 is what I guess.
3/8 or 2/10.
Huh? Nope. Are those
6.5?
6.5? No way, dude. I was thinking 3/8 or 2/10. Dang it, man. That was good. That's a good one. I've never seen this subs before. Wow.
Same guy built his box, built my box.
Dude. What is these? What level branch are these Skar?
Equals 6.5. Skar equals 6.5.
EVLs.
Yep.
I didn't know they made 6.5 like that. Really? Are they 300 RMS or?
They say 200. I got them on the RP.
Okay. Wow. I was not expecting that, dude. I bet you get everybody.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a good one. I like this. And I like how it's baffled. You have a single baffle with the drop in kit, and then you drop the subs in, so you kind of have, you see what I'm saying? That's a good idea. What is the box chin to?
Tune to 36.
36?
Yep.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, I didn't expect that. That's pretty good, man. How is it wired on the amp?
What I did was I wired all of them up. They dual fulls, so they wired up. They are a series parallel. Yeah. So she cut down to one on, all of them to the 8, and wire them all together, put down on one on.
Really?
One on,
okay. Gotcha. Awesome. Is it stock alternator?
Stock alternator. It's an extra battery.
Extra battery. I'm gonna go look at that. I'll take a picture afterward. got me. I didn't know. Wow. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Billy.
Billy.
Yeah.
Jacob. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.